Instant replay atid sa atin ang Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office.
Walang kupas.
Gates open, they're off and racing. We have Balinganda, shows alertness at the start. Running battles at Save About Queen, moving up Sweet Loven. Then 3 wide, keep on going. Iron Tower, Warbird, Lord Bonnie. Alongside is a Strong Boy, while the early trailer is a Blue Chic. As they round the 3/4 mile distance, Balinganda now comes out with a commanding break of 3. Save Our Queen in second. Warbird now to take third by another 2 lengths. A length back and forth we have Sweet Loven, then followed over by Keep on Going. Alongside Iron Tower, Lord Bonnie's about 3 wide and running by the Strong Boy and a long way back to Blue Chic. Past the half mile, Red Steel. Balinganda continues to dictate terms by about 3. It's Balinganda by 3. Save Our Queen in second. Then in third, moving up now is a Warbird. Lord Bonnie now starting to stretch out well too. Red Steel, Balinganda maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Then rushing up now is a Lord Bonnie together with Warbird. Running now in for Iron Tower. Save Our Queen. Or rather is a Keep on Going and Strong Boy. 3 and 50 to travel. Lord Bonnie now moves up to grab the lead. It's Lord Bonnie now by about 2 lengths. Warbird in second and in third, Balinganda and Iron Tower inside the last 100. Lord Bonnie now coming home in a magnificent style and scoring this race by about 5 seconds. Close between Warbird and Iron Tower. Then comes Balinganda and Strong Boy. Next lines.
Alright, after almost a year's layoff, maganda ang conditioning na ginawa ng connections ni Lord Bonnie.